Hello, my name is Ioannis Dizoglou. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create some sound effects for a video game. The first thing you need to do is visit bfxr.net and then click on the Get Adobe Flash Player. Then select the plugin is blocked and then select Manage. Then select Ask before running Flash. And then go back to the BFXR, refresh the page, and then click again on the Get Adobe Flash Player. Then select Allow, and now you will be able to actually load the BFXR software. This software application enables you to basically generate your own sounds. So let's go through here, and I'm just going to put this on my monitor speaker. And if you click on the play, you will be able to hear the sound. Let's put the sound a bit higher up. Okay. So I've got a pick coin, and every time you click on it, okay, and if you want to go back here, you will be able to actually select the sound that you're happy with. However, you can rename it here or even justify the sound a little bit. And I'm just going to rename this to be pick coin. Pick my coin. And I'm going to just play one more time. A couple times. Okay, I'm happy with that. And I can export this now. I'm going to go to my desktop and select a new folder. And I'm just going to call it sound effects. And I'm just going to click save. Then I'm going to create a explosion. Okay, let's just change it a little bit. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm just going to call it my explosion. And I'm just going to select export. And then I'm going to go to hit a hurt. Let's delete the other ones. So I've got things nice and neat. So I'm just going to put hit a hurt, couple different hit a hurt. Prefer that one, and I can actually customize a little bit. Okay, play around with the effects here. And then once you're happy, select export the WAV file. And I'm just going to cancel this. I'm just going to change that hit. Call it my hit. Okay, and I'm going to select it. I'm going to select export. All right. The next is jump. Let's delete the other ones. So I'm just going to put a few jumps here. And just change it a little bit. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm just going to call it my jump. And I'm going to select my jump and then select export. Okay, so I've got some sound effects, and now I can actually go through and start creating my own soundtracks. So I'm gonna finish this video now, In the next video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create soundtracks. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.